Hello and welcome to another devlog for Kuli Agriculturalist. There's been a couple of features added, so I'm going to go through them today in the order that they were added in. First, we have, let's get some money, a couple new plants. As you can see, we have a tulip, corn, and a popcorn machine. First, I added a corn. Let's buy that and wait for a corn to spawn in. As you can see, a little corn spawns in. And the corn is very interesting because it has different sort of stages of growth. A little slow, but eventually grows up bigger, and it has 3 stages in total. Now, you did see that there was a popcorn machine, which is also something I added in. You can buy a popcorn machine, and if you have corn in your inventory, you can make popcorn. Now the popcorn is pretty expensive. The corn itself, its base cost or base sell is only 3, I believe, and then the popcorn, if you pop it, you can sell it for 11. So that's pretty good. So it gets it back in your bag, and you can add more corn. So I can go do that again. And then the next feature was not necessarily a feature, but I redid how the plants spawn. So it used to be that there was just a box and it could spawn anywhere within the box. And now there's about 100 points on this this garden right here, and if the point isn't filled by a flower already, then it is able to spawn a flower. I did this for a couple reasons. One, it was starting with the corn, it grew tall, and everything was starting to look a little cluttered when there's a lot of stuff there. So I wanted to fix the cluttering issue. And another thing was, there's a couple of features I want to add in the future, and I needed a way to easily access the spots around a flower. And to do that, I'll show you later, but I pretty much have 4 arrays, and the arrays have the flower, and then like the X value of the flower and the Y value of the flower, then just the flower's name, or the spot's name. And then something else I added. I was showing the game to one of my roommates, and they said, "You should really add emotes." So that's what I did. We have an emote. Yeah. Then the other flower, I'll go and show you, is a tulip. And the tulip's very important for the progression of the game, because not only is it like it's just one less than the blue flower, but it increases the selling value of all the flowers. Right now I have it to add just 6 onto every flower. I can't tell if that's too much at this point or not, but you know, after a little dialing in, I'm sure it'll be figured out. So yeah, let's see, we have 6 sort of flowers of all kind right here. We go from about 1,000, and we get like $100 right there, which seems pretty reasonable. And this is what the new garden looks like. Originally, if we go up here, we can turn off this. This is about what I had the garden spawning rate at, or radius as. But that's all gone, and it's all this now. You can see there's a lot of uh, stuff relating to like putting in each flower. So all like 100 flowers are here, and here are those arrays. And the reason why it's 4 arrays and not like a structure or a class is I just couldn't figure that out. I couldn't figure out the syntax. So we just have 4 arrays, and it works fine. We push those all in, and yeah, that is the garden. And I believe that is all for the new updates. I hope you all enjoy, and look forward to new updates coming soon. Thank you.